Hi everyone, in front of me I've got CUBOT Note 50 and let me share with you how to turn off running apps on this device. Alright, so all we have to do is to open the recents, and depending on what kind of navigation type you've got set, you can do it differently. If you've got the gestures navigation, simply swipe your finger from the bottom to the center of your device, and after holding your finger for a second, just release it, and there you will have the recents. If you've got the 3 buttons navigation, just like I have, simply tap on this button with a square icon, and there we've got the recents. Of course, if you want to, you can remove them one by one just by swiping them up, but if you want to close all, tap on clear all. As you can see, we just got back to the homepage. We can check whether everything was removed, and here we've got no recent items, which means that we just successfully closed all background apps. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.